Heard there's something special hidden in here for over 50 years. Let's find out.
This little orange machine has been sleeping here since 1969. Time to bring it back to life.
All right, time to wake this baby up.
Okay, keep it steady now. A little more tension. That's it, hold it there. All right, she's up, lock it down.
Good to see you. Looks like she made it here safe.
All secure, glad to finally drop her off.
Perfect, we're excited to get started on this beauty.
Keep it coming, straight back.
Yeah.
Slow, all right, stop, looking good. Yeah. We'll have this beauty running again in no time. All right, let's get you up. Looks solid, boss, perfect. Just like she used to be. All right, let's take a closer look under here. Got some serious corrosion on the frame. Oil leaks too. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, easy. Look at this mess. Yeah, right here, this needs work. All right, time to pull these guys out. Don't want to damage the paint here. Yep, easy does it. Wires look a little brittle, huh? Okay, that's the last bolt.
Right.
Just have to be careful not to scratch the paint. And there it is, perfect. Look at that rust. All right, time for this old thing to come off. Rusted tight. Yeah. There we go, bit by bit. Almost got it, just need to clear it. And that's it, off she goes, one step closer. All right, time to remove this panel. Careful now. And there it is, the bare floor pan. Perfect. All right, let's get this off delicately. Just a little more tension, then slowly. You just keep turning that nut and it pulls right off. See how it separates? It's a clean break. All right. This seat's seen better days, but the car is ready for the next step. You can see how brittle this original harness is. We'll need to replicate this carefully.
You can really see the corrosion here. This brake drum hasn't seen light in decades.
It's exactly as we thought, completely seized. Time to get these King Midget tires stacked up and out of the way. Careful there. Yeah. Looking good. All right, time to break this thing loose. It's really seized up.
Yeah.
Just need a little leverage. There it goes. All right, fuel lines first, nice and loose. Good, now the wires, careful not to snap them. Got it. And the throttle linkage. All right, and she's out. Time to inspect this little guy.
This is the original single-cylinder engine, still covered in the years of history, ready for restoration.
All right, just a couple more. There we go, gently.
Yeah.
Perfect, right where it needs to be.
Yeah.
On to the next step. All right, that's the last of it. Perfect, clean as a whistle. All right, time to tackle the fuel tank. And out she comes. Look at that rust. All right, let's get this stubborn thing off. Finally, she's free. A lot of work needed here. Okay, let's get this rusted spring out. Hear that snap?
Got it.
There we go, another step closer. All right, let's get this front axle off this little guy. All right, time to take this old axle off the King Midget.
Yeah.
Just a few bolts left, she's almost free.
Yeah.
And there we go, axle's out, project is moving along. The chassis is solid, but look at the difference with the original shell over here. It really shows how much work is needed. Every part meticulously laid out.
This 1969 King Midget is ready for its restoration journey at SK. All right, time to get this body shell cleaned up. Okay, here we go. 50 years of history. Need to be careful here. This is delicate under all that dust. Looks like that orange is going to pop. All right, time to blast this grime off. Look at that shine. Beautiful work, Bob. All right, time to tackle this underbody. That looks like decades of buildup. Yeah, it's a dirty job, but it's got to be done. All right, time to tackle this King Midget. Looking good, almost done with this panel. Just a bit more here. All right, final rinse. Let's get this beauty gleaming.
You can see the solvent working wonders on this carburetor. All that 50-year-old grease is just melting right off, revealing the pristine metal underneath.
The front end looks solid. Moving along, how's this weld? Seems perfect. No issues here. All right, we are ready to move on.
You can see the grime on the original chrome. We'll apply this compound. Watch the mirror finish come through.
This chemical really makes short work of the old paint. Look at it go. Just need to brush this off and we'll have a perfect finish. Okay, here's the engine block of the King Midget. Now we'll begin the process of breaking it down. All right, time for these new compression rings. Nice and steady. Now the oil ring.
All right, let's get the measurement on this journal. Checking the tolerances, looking good. All right, first one's in, nice and smooth. See? Told you they'd fit perfectly. Yeah, just like the factory.
The heart of the King Midget back in place and ready to sing. Just one final adjustment.
All right, time for the final touch. All right, here we go, and it's running. Sounds good. Nice, solid. Almost there, looking good.
All right, just need to smooth out this filler over the dents on the fender of this little King Midget. Take your time, get it even. That's better. All right, primer coat's going on.
We'll give it 20 minutes to cure. All right, here we have the body panels of the King Midget after the first stage of primer. It's looking really smooth, ready for final paint.
Keep an even pressure, letting the water do the work to smooth out every imperfection. The runoff shows we're getting it right.
All right, just finishing up the last bit of the trim here. This takes a lot of care to get it just right.
Perfection. The King Midget's orange is cured and ready.
All right, perfect. Looks like the King Midget is ready. You just want to keep the pad wet, moving in smooth, deliberate strokes. That milky residue means it's working. You can see the swirls are gone. Now that's a deep gloss, just beautiful. The final pass, we're getting that flawless mirror shine now.
All right, here we go, getting this bare King Midget chassis coated in the satin black. Nice even strokes, just like that, looking good already.
You're looking at the pride of SK Restoration. Those coil springs are perfect, and these shocks will make the King Midget handle like new. At SK Restoration, we bring new life to classic parts. Take a look at these restored brake drums for the 1969 King Midget. Pristine, refurbished, and ready to roll.
All right, time to install these new brake shoes and lines on the rear axle. The fit is perfect. Now to attach this spring, get...
All right, just a little more leverage now. And there it goes, perfectly on.
All right, just a bit more weight on this side. Looks perfect. Looks perfect. All right, time to get this wheel on. Yeah. Just a few more turns. Yeah. And that's one down. Yeah. Perfect fit. All right, easy does it. All right. Just a little more. Perfect. She's in. Almost there. Good. Just need to torque these down now. Perfect. All right, time to put this cleaned up fuel tank back where it belongs. Getting it in here is the trickiest part. Just got to be gentle. Perfect.
All right, just need to secure this last one properly. There. Now let's double check that seal.
All right, perfect fit. Just need to tighten this down now. Looks great, Stan. Just the finishing touch. This is it, the moment of truth. Years of work have led to this. Perfect. Perfect fit, absolutely perfect. All right, just a few more turns. Hold it steady. And there it is, tight. All right, perfect fit, just how I wanted it.
All right, here it is, the newly reupholstered bench seat, ready for the King Midget. Let's get this installed.
There we go, solid as a rock.
The dashboard goes in, just a few more turns. Nice and tight. Okay, that looks right. All right, perfect fit. One last check. Good as new.
All right, perfect alignment.
Yeah.
Now, to secure this thing properly, just right. Excellent. All right, perfect. Tightening up the bumper bolts now. And that's a wrap. She's looking good.
You've got to be gentle with these, make sure the alignment is perfect, give it a firm press, and that side is good to go.
All right, let's get this new one on. Just clips right in. There we go, perfect.
All right, let's get this perfectly in place.
Okay.
Looks good, just needs tightening. Just the right amount of pressure. There we go, done. With a quick final adjustment, we've got this period-accurate King Midget latch ready to hold firm.
All right, new battery going in, positive terminal connected,
Okay.
and the negative. That should do it.
All right, time to fill her up with some fresh golden amber. Look at that flow, smooth as silk for our 1969 King Midget baby car.
Looks perfect, great job.
You just want to work it in small circles, keep the pressure even. That shine's coming through nicely. Almost done now. Just a little more pressure here. There, perfect. Every panel perfect. SK Restoration's finest work to date. The lights are on. Finally.
All right, here we go. Okay, turning it. Yes, it's alive.
Yeah.
Sounds great. Adjusting timing a little. This is it, the culmination of months of hard work. Wow, it's perfect. What a day it is. After all these months, here she is, perfect. Absolutely incredible. All right, here it is, the 1969 King Midget. Fresh out of restoration, she's a beauty. What do you think? Another restoration complete.
You know, some of the best ideas come from the places you least expect.
All right, here we go. It's rolling nice.
After all these years, I'd say she's ready to hit the road again.
After all these years, it's finally road ready again. Just needs one more check before we hit the open road.
From a dusty barn to a rolling legend again, this little orange King Midget proves nothing is ever truly forgotten. If you enjoyed this restoration, hit subscribe and like. More forgotten classics are coming back to life right here.